Hey guys, are you looking to create a quantity discount for your items in cash footprint? I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get into it. All right, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get into this. What we're trying to do is take an item that say sells for $10 in my example, and when I sell 10 of them, it's going to be $9 each. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing I want to do is select an item. So I'm going to go to inventory and I'm going to choose my sample item, which is 321. There it is, sells for 10 bucks. So now we're going to use the discount manager, and to do this, you're going to go to the manage menu, inventory, and choose discount manager. And in here, we're going to set up a new rule. So we're just going to do 10 for 9, something like that. 10 for 9. This is free-form text. So there is no nothing special you need to do here. It's just a description to help you identify the rule. And we're going to do a new each price, and the each price is going to be $9 when we hit a quantity of 10. The other thing we're going to do is check this box. Only apply discount if quantity of items sold matches the quantity trigger exactly. So what this means is if you were to sell over 10, if you don't check this option, if you sell over 10, it's still gonna have $9 each. But if you wanna sell in sets of 10, in order to get the discount, you need to check that box. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna hit save. And then I'm gonna double click and edit again and click manage targets. What this is gonna do is allow us to specify which item gets this discount. I'm gonna hit search. Actually, I probably, oh, there it is actually. So 321. Select that, and it's an item, 321, sample item is the description. I'm gonna hit save. Okay, and then close out of here and then save the rule. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and sell my item 321. Normal price is $10. So there's the 10. Looks like this might be a tax inclusive item. So I'm gonna go back and turn that off. That way you'll see the example correctly. All right, 321. Probably have it set as tax inclusive. So let's go ahead and edit the tax. It is set to sales tax group, which is this. And yeah, these two taxes are tax inclusive. So I'm gonna turn that off. Okay, so far so good. Go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell too. Let's get back. Void the transaction. You can't make sales tax changes while there's a transaction going. Turn that off. Tax inclusive, we'll turn that off. Okay, so now tax will be applied on top of the item. So that's what we were looking for, $10. Now if I change this to 9, it should still be 10, which it is. If I change it to 11, it's gonna do something funky because what it does is it's all one line. So I'm just gonna do 10 to show you that it does change it to 9. So if I go to $11, it's $9.09 because 10 of those are $9, one is $10. And then if we do 20, back to 9 even. Okay, that's it. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below or shoot us an email, give us a call. We're always happy to help out. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next time.